In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail from Insightly CRM. If you connected your Gmail to Insightly for syncing and now need to disconnect it, I'll walk you through the exact place in your account to remove it safely, along with what to expect after it's gone. Start by opening Insightly in your browser and signing in to your CRM workspace. From the main dashboard, we'll work entirely inside your personal area, so you don't need to explore global settings. Everything we need is available under your profile and can be done in just a minute. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile image or initials. Click it to open the menu, then choose User Settings. This is where Insightly stores options tied to your individual login, including email connections, notifications, and personal preferences. If you don't see the menu, try maximizing your window or zooming out slightly. Inside User Settings, find and select Email Settings. This page controls your email integrations, tracking behavior, and any accounts you've connected. It's the right place to manage a Gmail link you no longer want Insightly to access, and it keeps these changes scoped to your user profile. On the Email Settings page, locate your Gmail account in the list of connected services. You should see a trash can or remove option alongside the account. Selecting that delete option disconnects Gmail from Insightly. If a confirmation message appears, approve it to finish. Insightly may take a moment to update, wait for the success message or a brief spinner to complete. Once removed, Insightly stops syncing emails and calendar items from that Gmail address and stops auto-logging future conversations. This action does not typically erase historical records already stored in your CRM. It simply prevents new data from flowing in. Your existing activities and notes should remain unless you manually delete them. Before you remove anything, double-check that you're acting on the correct Gmail address, especially if you work with multiple mailboxes. If the delete option appears grayed out, you may need the proper permission or help from an administrator. After confirming, refresh the page to verify the Gmail account no longer appears under connected services, and consider logging out and back in if the page doesn't reflect the change right away. If you're disconnecting Gmail for security or account changes, it's a good idea to let your team know so any automated processes aren't expecting new email activity from that address. If email settings won't load, try another browser or clear your cache. And that's it. You navigated to Insightly, opened User Settings, went into Email Settings, and used the trash icon to delete the Gmail integration.